warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Rajleen from class 11. Today I am here to share my view on a very important topic, courage to fail. We all want to win and achieve success in life, but we often forget that failure is also a part of success. If you don't fail, it means you are not trying something new, because trying always includes the risk of failing. Learning is a process. In this process, there are ups and downs, mistakes and improvements. Failure teaches us lessons that success can never teach. For example, when a child learns to walk, he falls many times but never gives up. Similarly, in life, every failure is a step towards success. I would like to share my own example. Once, in an institute, I gave a speech and I forget my lines. I felt embarrassed and thought maybe public speaking is not for me. But then I realized failure is not the end. I practiced more, learned from my mistakes, and today I am standing here giving this speech with confidence. If I had stopped after that failure, I would never be here today. This is what courage to fail means. To stand again after falling, to keep trying even when you feel like giving up. Now, let's talk about great people who failed but never gave up. As Muhammad Arif mentioned, Thomas Edison, who invented the light bulb, failed 1,000 times before his invention worked. When people asked him about his failure, he said, "I did not fail 1,000 times. I found 1,000 ways that did not work." APJ Abdul Kalam, before becoming the Missile Man of India, faced many difficulties in interviews, projects, but he kept trying and finally achieved his dream. Albert Einstein, his teacher said he'd never achieve anything, but he became the world's greatest scientist. These examples show that failure is not defeat, it is a lesson. As APJ Abdul Kalam sir said, if you fail, never give up, because fail means first attempt in learning. I want to remind everyone here that failure is not a sign of weakness. It is a proof that you are trying, learning and growing stronger. Without failure, success has no value. So never hide your failure, instead learn from them and move ahead with more courage. Never fear failure. Failure is not opposite to success. It is a part of success. In conclusion, I want to say, have the courage to fail. Courage to try again even when you feel like giving up. Have the courage to try and better preparation, because only those who try, fail and rise again can achieve their dreams. If I had stopped after if we have failure in life, if we stopped after that failure, we did not achieve what we want. But if we try again, never give up, we can achieve our goals.